Wow, what a cool airplane! May I play with it, please?
Yes, of course!
Great job! You said please! Wow, a beautiful new day! Good morning, Bunny! Good morning, friends! Good morning, everyone! Oh, we have a new friend!
Hello!
Welcome to our class!
Hello! We are happy you're here!
Thank you!
You're welcome!
Thank you is a kind word. It makes people smile. May I use your crayons, please?
Yes, of course.
Please is a magic word.
Thank you, Bunny. You're welcome.
Kind words make great friends. Let's be kind every day. Wow, what a cool airplane. May I play with it, please?
Yes, of course.
Great job. You said please. May I choose one toy, please?
Yes.
Pick your favorite. Please is a kind and polite word.
Bunny,
May I have the ball, please?
Here you go.
thank you.
Using please makes everyone happy. May I have a sticker, please?
Of course. That was very polite. Excellent manners. What is today's magic word?
Please.
Let's say it together. Please.
Wow. Thank you, Bunny. You're welcome.
Thank you is a kind word.
Thank you, Panda.
You're welcome. Kind words make everyone smile.
Thank you, Puppy.
My pleasure.
Helping friends is wonderful.
Thank you, Bunny.
You're welcome.
Sharing and saying thank you makes us happy.
What do we say when someone helps us?
We say,
Thank you. Oops. I'm sorry, Bunny. That's okay.
Saying sorry is the right thing to do.
Oh no. I'm sorry, Bunny. It's okay. Friends forgive each other.
I'm really sorry. I forgive you.
Kind words make everything better.
Now everything is better. Thank you, friends. We help each other. We are happy friends.
What do we say when we make a mistake?
We say, sorry. S-O-R-R-Y.
This box is heavy.
I can help you.
Let's help together. Oh no. I'll help you.
Me too. Thank you, friends.
I can't reach it.
I'll help.
Teamwork is great.
Thank you. Helping is caring. Helping makes everyone happy. Let's help every day. We are kind friends.
Oh no, the classroom is messy. Let's clean it together. Cleaning is fun.
Blocks go in the box.
Great job.
The room looks better already.
I found the toy cars.
Put them on the shelf.
Everything has a place.
Books belong here. Wonderful. Our classroom is clean.
We cleaned everything. We worked together.
A clean classroom makes everyone happy. Let's keep our classroom clean every day.
Oh no, the classroom is messy. Let's clean it together. Cleaning is fun.
Hi, Panda. Are you okay?
I feel a little sad today.
Don't worry. We are here for you. You are our friend.
we care about you.
Thank you, my friends.
Let me help you.
Thank you.
Helping is kind.
Let's be gentle.
Kindness is for everyone.
We care for animals too.
Today we learn to be kind.
Kind words.
Kind hands. Kind hearts make the world happy. Do you remember our magic words?
Please. Thank you.
Sorry. We shared our toys. We helped our friends. We cleaned our classroom.
We did a great job.
Kind words, kind hands, kind hearts.
Make happy friends.
We learned good manners. We learned to be kind. We learned to help each other.
We are happy friends.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep smiling. Keep being kind every day. See you again, friends. Bye-bye.
Great job, friends. Want more fun learning videos? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.